So today Linda is cooking dinner for 4. That's a rare occasion these days because we are empty nesters now. But when the kids visit, they usually ask for a home-cooked meal instead of ordering takeout. So today she is making Indian butter chicken. And we are keeping track of the cost of all ingredients throughout the video to see how much we can save by home cooking dinner versus takeout. So welcome at Linda's Home Kitchen and let's start cooking. We start out by grating 1 large onion. By the way, if you look at the upper right corner, you see the running total of the ingredients used so far for the recipe. I think if you order 4 servings of Indian butter chicken as takeout, it will probably cost you at least $60. If you make it yourself, obviously it's gonna be cheaper, but I think you're gonna be surprised how much cheaper it actually is. Anyways, we're gonna divide the grated onion in half. One is for the marinade and the other half is for the sauce. And now we mince 5 cloves of garlic. Next, we're gonna mince 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger, 1 for the marinade and 1 for the sauce. By the way, a little trick, if you don't have a peeler, you could peel a ginger root with a spoon also. So now we are ready to make the marinade. We add 4 ounces of non-fat Greek yogurt to a bowl. And 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. And Linda also squeezes 2 tablespoons of lemon juice over it. Next we add 1/2 of the onions, a little less than 1 teaspoon of the garlic, and half of the ginger. For spices we need 2 teaspoons of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of salt. And now just whisk it all until combined. So now we are ready to marinate our chicken thighs. We place all 4 in a bowl. Then we pour our marinade over it. And then you turn them all over. And then you make sure that the other side is completely covered by the marinade as well. So, and to let it marinate, you cover it up and you place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. 3 would be better. So now we are ready to cook the chicken. So we melt 2 tablespoons of clarified butter over medium heat. If you don't have clarified butter, you can use regular butter and maybe add a splash of vegetable oil. Then you shake off the excess marinade before you place the chicken in the pan. And you let them brown on both sides for about 4 minutes. By the way, we are Linda and Stefan, a German-American couple. We have been married for 25 years. We have 3 children. Linda has been a professional pastry chef and chef for decades, and I enjoy recording her when she cooks, and also like to share what I learned in the process with you on YouTube. So to support a small mom and pop channel like ours, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. So as we remove the chicken from the pan, you see all this brown goodness on the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna utilize that for our sauce. First we add the other half of the onions to it, and then simply use a wooden spatula to scrape off all the bits and pieces from the bottom of the pan. So now we add another tablespoon of clarified butter and saute everything for 1 minute. Now we add the rest of the ginger and the garlic, saute everything until it's fragrant. Usually takes only a minute as well. And now we add 15 ounces of tomato sauce. So now we add all the spices, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and a half a tablespoon of ground coriander. Is it coriander or coriander? I don't know. Anyways, we also add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1.5 teaspoons garam masala. Stir everything in and bring it to a low simmer. So now we whisk in a 3/4 cup of heavy cream over low heat. And now we transfer the sauce to a food processor and blend on high until the sauce is smooth. So now we can return the sauce to the pan over medium heat. And in the meantime, we can cut the chicken into chunks. And don't worry if you see a couple pink spots in the chicken, because we're gonna return the chicken to the sauce and cook it for another 5 minutes. By the way, now that we are almost done, looking at the total cost of the ingredients, did you think it would be more or did you think it would be less? Let me know in the comments. I think it's quite amazing. By spending a little extra time to make it yourself, you can have dinner for 4 for basically the cost of 1 individual takeout order. So anyways, now that we returned the chicken to the sauce, we stir it to coat all the chicken with the sauce. And like I said, let it cook for another 5 minutes. In the meantime, we cook our rice. We use 1 cup of basmati rice. And now we are ready to plate it. Unfortunately, you can smell it, but I guarantee you the sauce smells terrific. And I also love the color of it. And if you like, you can garnish it with a little bit of chopped cilantro. And of course, Linda made some noon bread as well, but that's for another video. And there you have it, your Indian buttered chicken. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Yours truly, Linda and Stefan.